AI isn't going to take your job, but someone using AI to 10x their output, yeah, they just might. Check out how you can use Retriever's new schedule monitoring capability to put your manual tasks on autopilot. Say I have already executed a task to extract the latest job boards details from LinkedIn, and I can now put it on a schedule to do this every day and append to a sheet all these job listings, and then it will continuously monitor, check how good of a fit I am for the job using the resume I've attached here. So like just using the context, I could just copy paste like from my resume and paste it into here, and the agent will automatically be able to use it. So the schedule just executed. It's going to get all these details of like all these job postings and also like how good of a fit I am for that job. And it will just continuously append to this sheet. So I'll have this running list of what I need to check. So you can do this for tasks like keeping up to date with the latest Zillow posts or latest Crunchbase startups or latest news even. And you can even set it to reuse your open tabs for sites like Zillow, Discord, Crunchbase, where very heavy bot detection. Even though with the latest Retriever update, the agent can actually bypass CAPTCHAs, can solve CAPTCHA problems now. But yeah, just configure to reuse the tab and append to sheet, and you just execute a previously executed workflow. So it just finished. It wrote the new columns, and I have like the score. What if yeah, that might actually be worthwhile. And yeah, so check out the new schedule monitoring feature, 10x your work output. And if you want, you can even set it up in the cloud. So we have Retriever AI Cloud where you can go set up schedules of executed tasks on our cloud platform. And you can get notified when the task finish via email, Slack, Discord, even WhatsApp if you're connected with the bot. And be able to schedule out your monitoring, get web intelligence at scale through the public web as well as the authenticated web via the Chrome extension.